What to do? Let's think.
The slides at the front and back exit doors can be detached and used as wraps. Federal aviation regulations require compliance flight information signs, posted placards, and crew member instructions, including the seatbelt and no smoking signs. All Spirit Airlines flights are non-smoking. Smoking, including the use of e-cigarettes or vaping devices, is not permitted in the cabin or lavatories. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying lavatory smoke detectors. Thank you for your attention. Welcome aboard, and let's go.
Ground, Swoop 1377, requesting pushback. Swoop 1377, pushback request accepted. American 22904, continue taxi. Short runway 26 left, using taxiway 04, November 1 tree, Mike 11, American 160 tree. Miami ground, FedEx 69er tree heavy with Echo ready to taxi IFR. FedEx 69er tree heavy taxi to and hold short of runway 27 via taxiway, Yankee Tango cross runway tree 0, Tango Quebec Papa Quebec 8. Contact tower on 12 tree decimal 9er when ready. American 22904. Taxiing hold short runway 27 via taxiway, Yankee Tango cross runway tree 0.
comparte.
Approach Spirit Wings Tree 20 Heavy is type Airbus 1 mile south of Miami 200 feet. Request clearance to transition Bravo airspace.
Spirit Wings Tree 20 Heavy approach. Squawk Tree 726.
Squawk Tree 726 Spirit Wings Tree 20 Heavy.
Belalcázar Caldas.
Próximos a aterrizaje. Favor abrocharse sus cinturones.
Squawk 0044 Spirit Wings Tree 20 Heavy.
Spirit Wings Tree 20 Heavy radar contact. 3 miles north of El Eden, 4,600 feet. Altimeter 30.12.
Roger, Spirit Wings Tree 20 Heavy.
Retard.